Hi guys, today we're playing Flood Escape and my goal is to win in at least one of these. Alright, let's just do multiplayer. Can I just six players left. There are only 2 out of 6 players left. Can't you just load us? How long will I have to wait? How much time will I need to wait? Man, just bro. I'm pretty sure. Can I at least come? Okay, all 3 people are going for hobby. Alright, this is classic Flood Escape. So I really played Flood Escape 1. I don't really play Flood Escape 1. I've played Flood Escape 2 before, but I normally don't play Flood Escape 1. I think I've played it once or twice. Maybe once or twice. I don't trust you no more. Bro, why is this so difficult? It's a race against time. It's a race against time. Yes, it just barely starting now if I make any mistakes anymore. I hope so. Alright, I died. Bro, the actually managed to escape 2, which is crazy because I've only played this like once before, right? Bro, why doesn't it load? Why doesn't it load? Bro, can you load already? Somebody come over here at easy. Can I just... Yes, the game has ended. 15 seconds. Okay, that's what the player compares. Right. Now let's play this one. How do I skip this menu? because of a stupid menu. No. Which menu is it? This menu. This is why everyone loves menus. I'm gonna need to wait another hour or I can try server hopping, which I'm going to do. I'm just gonna server hop. Okay, now let's do this now. So I entered the same server. What can I do? Let's just go to servers and exclude full servers. And let's do this one. Right. Yeah, this is definitely a different server now. Bro. One player left. Can that one player die already? Alright, no, this time I'm not making that same mistake already. Oh, I accidentally left. Yes, just in time. Just in time. This is going to be a residence time. I'm just gonna let my team do all the work. So I can get this. This my team is quite good at this game, I think. I think my team is really good at this. Oh man, if anyone dies here, it's gonna be embarrassing if we die at the first stage, since the first stage is actually let's go. Let's start now. Never doing that again, bro. Bro, why is this game actually so hard, bro? Can I get in last second? Yes, I can. I need to go right. I've not played in this map yet. This map is new now. What? How do you die because of that? It's like 1 centimeter water. The water was there for like 1 centimeter, bro. Yes. Second. This is gonna be a race against bro, why can you do the dirty work, bro? Bro, get the switch. pick the switch. We're both dead. Okay, bro. You do take one for the team, bro. Bro, take one for the team. Take one. Get the switch. Bro, he didn't get the switch. And so we both couldn't escape. He's just sabotaging me at this rate, bro. It's just sabotaging me. It's not even worth it. This no. Those are the two buttons which I need to press now. Let's press them. No, that's unfair. I'm trapped now. Unnecessary that. Okay, there's still a chance to come back. I need to go full on board mode. I just need to go board mode for this. The buttons. Okay, here's this first. That's the first button. Second button is here. And this third button. Okay, so I just need to get there. This is gonna be difficult. It's now. They made this. Bro, I'm trapped. They made this game here impossible. Bro, even on easy mode, this is so difficult. Even on easy mode, bro. With 3 people, it's going to be much easier, right? Okay, where is the button? Someone press that button. Oh man, I died. Why is this game actually so difficult? How do I play? This game, which one do you need help with? Multiplayer? Playing have to work together with friends to escape by pressing buttons. Okay, bro. As if I didn't know that already. None of them is this Can I spectate? Yeah. This guy did nothing when he was on my team. And now he reached stage 3 when he's not on my team. Nice. Okay, bro. Guys, come. It's good if a lot of people come, but it's alright. I have a strategy, guys. We're going to win this, okay? Where do we go? You may ask, what is the strategy? Best iPad player ever? Okay, I'm trying for this. Where do I go for it? Right into complete this speed run. Bro. became impossible now. Oh, I got it. I got it. I got it. How do I escape now? Let's just escape as fast as possible now. Bro. Where is it? It's there. Alright. Running just. Oh no. No. I was so close again. I'm getting so close every time. And then I'm also dying every time. The mission. Can't believe it. Freaking hard. Yep, now it's full. I'm gonna take the credit for that. How do you escape? It just became impossible. It became near impossible. I ain't going in hard mode because hard mode is near him. I ain't going in hard mode since hard mode is near impossible. Instead, I'll wait for the 2 players left in easy mode to die. Okay, let's go easy. Okay, they both died at the same time. Yeah, but Spider-Man is the reason. Yup, obviously Spider-Man is the reason. Guys, come fast. Guys, there's still time. There's still a little time left for them to enter. They just didn't want to enter. How the heck do you get in here together? Okay, we need to go this way. Okay. She is unlocked. While they're unlocking it, I'm just gonna stay on this. Oh man, that was a really hard jump. Right. I made it. This is my best friend so far. You guys can and also come with me. And also come with me. Yes, we escaped. Yes, 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 yes. We escaped, boys. Bye, guys. See you in the next episode. Next episode, I'm going to try beating this game in medium mode. Or next time I play, I will try beating this in medium mode, okay?